Example 2. Figure shows a small plane strip suspended from a fixed support through a string of length L. A continuous beam of monochromatic light is incident horizontally on the strip and is completely absorbed. The energy falling on the strip per unit time is W. Option A. Find the deflection of the string from the vertical if the strip stays in equilibrium. Option B. If the strip is deflected slightly from its equilibrium position in the plane of the figure, what will be the time period of the resulting oscillations? Let us see. Since the diagram is given, there is a strip on which the light was focused. Therefore, the strip deflected by an angle theta, let its own weight is acting downward mg, and when the light falls on it, the strip is in equilibrium condition. That means the light is applying a force F in this direction and there will be tension in the string in this direction. If this is an angle theta, then this also be theta, and the force exerted by the light on the stripe is equal to W by C. So tension can be resolved into two components. This will be T cos theta and this will be T sin theta. So since the stripe is in equilibrium condition, the sum of all forces is 0. That means F is equal to T sin theta and T cos theta is equal to mg. So T sin theta is equal to F, which is nothing but W by C, and T cos theta is equal to mg. So let us do the ratio between them. T get cancelled. Sin theta by cos theta is tan theta is equal to W by mgc. So from this we can calculate the angle of deflection theta is equal to tan inverse of W by mgc. And we also need to calculate if the stripe is deflected furthermore and what will be the period of oscillation. So we know time period is 2 pi into root of L by T by M, where T is the tension. So let us calculate T by M, then we will substitute here. So T sin theta is equal to W by C and T cos theta is equal to mg. Let us square on both sides and add. What we get? T square sin square theta plus T square cos square theta is equal to W square C square plus M square G square. So T square, if we take common, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. W square C square plus M square G square. So T square is equal to, if we take M square common, so here what we get? W square by M square C square plus G square. Send the root the square other side. So what we get? T is equal to M into under root of W by MC whole square plus G square. So therefore we will get T by M is equal to under root of W by MC whole square plus G square. We got T by M value. Let us substitute here. Therefore time period will be 2 pi into root of L by under root of W by MC square G square whole power 1 by 2, or T is equal to 2 pi into root L by W by MC whole square plus g square whole power 1 by 4. So this is the time period of the new oscillation.